Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I haven't been here in a while, but we're back and we're gonna get into it and soon enough when all this is over. So today guys, okay, I don't think I should do any more mukbangs because my laptop ate. And today, what we're gonna have today, you know, I always get excited when it's like food. So we got some tacos. I'm a little sad, not going to lie, because I didn't have everything I wanted. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I tried to improvise on like the sour cream. So I used cream cheese because I actually do love cream cheese because it's much thicker than sour cream. Is my preference, not yours. I don't have guac. I thought my avocados would have been ready, but they weren't. And I don't like to buy store-bought guacamole. So we're not having that. Oh, we also have some nachos. I don't like, okay, I do like the nacho cheese. However, it didn't smell right. Oh. But these nachos, these are the corn nachos. I'm saying it right, corn flour nachos, yeah. Cornmeal? Wait, this is corn? These are flour tortillas. They look good, I know. I deep fried these. Or you could say fry them. I got my bell peppers. I don't know, I love the paprikas. I got my jalapeno. I got some onions. So my bread gonna be ranking after this. But I live alone and I only FaceTime during the day. And anyone's gonna call me. Or I'll call them. Or I don't wanna touch my hair. And no, I'm not gonna eat with a spoon. So how I made my shrimps. I think I should have something else like as protein next. Like maybe tuna. I love tuna, like a tuna steak. Y'all let me know what y'all want me to do next. Okay, 2 of these are deep fried and one was like oven baked, oven roast, whatever. It was in the oven. Well, I'm like off my chef game. No, I did not go to culinary school. So let's add some jalapenos. I don't have a clean. Y'all know I love me some jalapenos. So tortillas, the dough, you can say. It's tortilla, and what we make was a taco. And you know, you find these in more Mexican places. It's a Mexican dish. I'm not Mexican. Again, I'm not. So no one ever asks, but I'm just saying it. Okay, let me eat. Let's eat. So the tortilla is a garlic herb tortilla. I didn't even put my bell peppers. I'm gonna put this and the second one then. I like the more red ones. Tastes really good. So what I did, I like marinated the shrimps for like you said about 20 minutes in a garlic seasoned seasoning, whatever. When that was done, I dipped it in a garlic butter. Then I put it in the oven. I let it cook. I was getting ready. Did not overcook it this time. It tastes great. A lot of flavor, a lot of texture. So let's talk about, like, what's your favorite food? You know, what I want to do next is get the tortillas, cut them up, deep fry them like this, and make like nachos. Like, you could say semi-homemade, because the tortillas would not be homemade because I did not make them. I feel like I can make them though. I think it's possible. So my first time eating tacos. That's a good question. I really can't remember. There's different type of tacos. I'm not gonna try to pronounce them because I don't want to butcher it. But you have goat meat, you have the one with pork, you have all types of, like, you know, tortillas. They have the ones that you dip inside of sauce. You know, it's so many different ones. I haven't been to Cali's yet, but I know, like, since it's really, like, California is really close to the border from Mexico, certain parts in California, different type of counties, do have like a more Mexican influence, and I heard they have really good tacos. Like, I watched so many YouTube videos about tacos on there, and it's very mouth-watering, like, to see that. So I would like to try that one day. I mean, I've had tacos here and it was like really bad. Like, if I didn't knew better, like, oh my god, this is tacos, I would never eat this again. That's how bad it was. I had also first started taco night back home. Not back home, like, but with my family. It was really good. Now my cousin does it because I don't live there anymore. So, Oh. I'm really trying to not eat that much shrimps or like shellfish. If you know or you may not know, like, those are like filters for the ocean. Like, the poop and everything else could be very toxic for you. So I don't really eat, like, they're cockroaches. They are the cockroaches of the sea, basically. So I don't really eat them like that. But I used to be like a shrimp lover. I still do, like, or I would even have like seafood boils, and I love seafood boils. I know I'm contradicting myself. Like, girl, what are you gonna do? But I don't really eat it that much anymore. I tried to make a boil here. I'm sorry, I'm watching this guy with his dog. Anyway, I want to do a boil here or whatever, but it's finding the right crab, because last time I got crab and it was spoiled, and it was from the market. Like, you can't fool me. But it wasn't so expensive. It was like king crab. So thank God I know about like crab and stuff. That, like, imagine I didn't know. I would have been sick. I could have died because they're very poisonous, you know. I'm just eating my taco. So you're having like flour tortilla, corn tortilla. One I really like about the tortilla is not like super greasy. It's not that greasy, like super oily and stuff. This right here is a banger. When I said it was grub time, it really was grub time. And you could cook with this? Oh, I'm gonna tell you, so I made the garlic sauce, the garlic butter. Wait. I'm like, I get a little full. This is always the case. And I didn't even make that much. I only make 3 tacos. Chipotle. Chipotle has what's that thing called? Tacos. Y'all almost made me forgot. So Chipotle has tacos. They're beginner friendly. They're not all that bad. They do have guac, do have sour cream. The rice is not that flavor. Oh yeah, I normally add rice in my tacos. How come I didn't do this time? I love me some rice, you know, put it in there. Last time my friend was here, when I had taco night, I did have rice. When I did taco night for my class, I did not have rice because I had elotes, and I had elotes. I had the carnitas, the carne, the vegetable. I had the steamed vegetables for the vegetarians, well, pescatarian. Because I find shrimp to be a little too expensive on the plate, you know what I'm saying? I already had like ground beef. Like, what more do you guys want? Oh, I had chicken, and I cooked everything. I know, like, how can you cook it without tasting it? Because I'm a chef. And chefs, no measurement. I mean, cooking is a chemistry. It's chemistry, basically. Cooking is chemistry, basically. It's a science to it. So the right measurements, the amount, like all those things, you know. So I did that. That time we did have sour cream. We had hard shell and soft shells. So we had soft shell, but all those were baked. Like, I put all those in the oven. I didn't like fry them because it was a party. It was like a get together. It was like end of the semester. Anyways, end of the semester party, you can say. So I did that for them. I hosted, I cooked. Everyone volunteered with drinks and cups because I don't really trust anyone with cooking. Only one person, my Mexican classmate, he made the salsa, so it was really good. And he didn't say anything about he didn't say anything bad about my tacos, so I guess I did the thing. And he just was like, we don't really have like the hard shells of the corn tortillas. He was like, I don't even know whether like. So I think it's basically the fried of the corn tortilla, you know. But I think this one is hard. Yeah, I left this one in the oven a little too long, so we're not gonna eat that right now. And I have a party to go to, so we're gonna wrap this up. Yes. Yes. Not how you pause it. Anyways, we're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna finish this off camera. But if you do like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more content, more food, you you know how it goes. Anyways, thank you guys so much. See you.